Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on the College Hub. So today we're going to talk about something that not many people discuss, and that is the cost of applying to colleges abroad. Normally what we hear people talking about is how much it costs to attend colleges abroad, but this video is going to focus on how much the application process would cost you to apply to colleges abroad, specifically in the United States. So there are going to be two videos on this topic. Today's video is going to be how much it actually costs to apply abroad, and next week's video is going to be about how you can reduce your cost of applying to colleges abroad. To begin with, there's one of the most disliked parts of the college application process, and that is the SAT or the ACT test. For international students to take the SAT with the optional essay or the ACT with the optional writing part, it would cost you around $120, and you're allowed to take these tests more than one time. So say you were to take one of these tests 2 times, that would add $250 to the amount of money that you're spending on the college application process. Apart from the SAT and the ACT test, there's also the TOEFL or the IELTS tests, which are used to judge your English skills. And now these tests cost around $180 per test. And the thing is, you don't have to take both of these tests, you can pick which one you want to take. So that would add another $180 to the amount that you're spending on the college application process. Also, do keep in mind that the costs that I'm mentioning are for Indian students, and that the costs to take these tests depend on which country you live in. After you receive your TOEFL, IELTS, SAT, ACT scores, you also need to send them to colleges, which costs money. So all 4 of these tests offer around 4 to 5 free score sends, which basically means that they allow you to send your scores to around 4 colleges for free. And then after that, they charge you around $10 to $15 for each college that you send your SAT, ACT, TOEFL or IELTS scores to. So for example, say you're applying to 8 colleges in the United States, that would cost you around $100 extra to send your scores to these colleges. And the last part of this video related to standardized testing are the costs of the books and the study material that you would buy to study for the standardized testing, such as the SAT or the TOEFL or IELTS. Buying books for these tests would cost around $50 according to me, but there's also plenty of study materials online that you can access for free. So doing research about that is really important. Now coming to the college application fees. So this is the fees that you would pay the college to apply to their college, and on average this would cost you around $60. I mean, for some colleges it could be $50 and for another one it could be $100, but on average it would be around $60. Again, for example, say you would be applying to 8 colleges, that would cost you around $500 in application fees. There are ways to reduce the amount of money that you spend on application fees, but I'm going to talk more about that in the next video. If you are an international student applying for financial aid, you would need to fill out a form called the CSS profile that allows you to submit your financial information to colleges all in one place. I've put a link in the description to the CSS profile so that you can read and learn more about it. So once you fill up the CSS profile, you need to send it to colleges, which costs money. The first college that you would send the CSS profile to would cost $25, and then for each additional college after that, it would cost you around $16. So say you're applying to 8 colleges, that would cost you around, wait, let me do some math. So that would cost you around $140 to submit the CSS profile to colleges. So if you add up all the numbers that I mentioned in this video, it would cost you around $1,100 to $1,500 to apply to between 8 to 10 universities in the United States. Of course, that is a big amount, but don't worry, there are ways to bring this cost down. So stay tuned for our next video where we're going to be discussing how to reduce the cost of applying to colleges in the US. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any video suggestions for us, do leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.